Alright, we're to that fun part of sanding. Got my DeWalt sander, got a face mask. We'll do all the straight areas that we can, and then we'll have to come back and hand sand everything else. So overall, we're going to be hand sanding pretty much 90% of this project. Top, sides, and then we'll be hand sanding. So let's get started. Alright, we've sanded it down, we've vacuumed it out, wiped it smooth again, and now we can start painting. So today, got my Wooster brush, we got our Behr Primer Paint Navy Blue, or it's called Very Blue, or Very Navy as the color, Eggshell. We're going to pull the drawers, we're going to paint each one, set it aside. Once we get through all of them, we'll come back, do it again, and then we'll start on this frame. Everything gets 2 coats, so let's get started. Alright, we've put 2 coats of paint on it, and now we're going to scuff it up with the old 80 grit sandpaper that we used to sand it down. Now this is the step that you could skip at home, but here at Vintage, well, we like to give it that vintage look. So let's get back to sanding some more. Alright, we got 2 coats on, we've sanded it, we've vacuumed it back out, and now we can start applying the wax. So today we're going to use mini wax paste finishing wax. It's natural. Got an old sock. Wipe it on, wipe it off, and well, then we can put the hardware on and get this piece finalized. So this is basically the last time you're going to see it before it's done. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. Very navy, scuffed up, and well, the end product looks amazing. This is a very popular color on our channel, so hopefully you like it. Let me know what your thoughts on it, and remember, hit that subscribe button, do the thumbs up for me, and leave me a comment. I really appreciate those, and well, we'll keep doing some pretty cool stuff.